Hi everyone, and brand new Computer Helper channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to update Windows 10 to a new May 2020 version 2004. Alright, we're starting right now. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to update your Windows 10 to a new May 2020 released version 2004 and also find out all other awesome stuff, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. I will really appreciate your support. So, how do you get your new Windows update? I'm gonna break it down into two parts for you. In the first part, I'm gonna explain how to update your Windows 10 by using automatic updates. It is available for users with devices running versions 1903 or 1909. If the update is still not available for you, then check out the second part, where you'll have to visit the Microsoft Update website and download this new update. The link is available in the description below. Now, let's first, click then, select Update and Security. Now, click Check for updates. Here we can see Feature Update version 2004. Just click on Download and Install button. It will take some time before the new update starts downloading to our computer. After some time, the new Windows 10 update finally start to installing. Okay, when everything is completed, we need to restart the computer. We're almost done. Windows to finish configuring our new update. Please, don't turn off your computer at this step. If the computer is powered off, the installation process will be interrupted and your system can endlessly loops back to the same incomplete state. We're almost done now. To see if the update is installed successfully, we can check by clicking the right button on Windows Start button and choose Run. Type WinVer and hit OK. Here we can see the latest version of our Windows 10. Okay, that's where we were using Windows Update function inside our Windows system. But in case if you still don't see this latest May update version available, we can then download update through Microsoft website. Let's take a look. Run your favorite browser. Type Microsoft Windows 10 software download. Let's click on Microsoft download page. Select Windows 10. And click on Download Tool Now button. First save the file somewhere on your computer and then run it. Here, we must terms to continue. OK, next, click on Upgrade this PC now. And click Next. The download is started. It will take some time for download to be completed, so be patient. Again, accept and click Accept button. In this step, we choose to install Windows 10 with new May 2020 update included. Also, it's important to keep personal files and apps checked. Hit Install button. Installation has finally started. Windows will restart it and you're done. your new update version is completed. To see if the update successfully, we can check by clicking the right button on Windows Start button and choose Run. Type WinVer and hit OK. Here we can see the latest version of our Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any feedback or comments, let me know below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, hit that subscribe button. That way you'll get a notification anytime new content like this comes out. Thank you so much for watching, I'll see you next time.